Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be painting an outdoor rug using Dollar Tree products. The paints and the squeeze tube is all from Dollar Tree. The rug is unfortunately from Hobby Lobby, but it's my first time painting a rug. Let's see how it goes. I wanted to make a rough draft of what I would be creating on the rug, so I decided to use chalk, something that wouldn't be permanent. You can see it a lot clearer in video than I could in person while doing it, but it did give me some idea of where things might go. I then decided to make it a peep themed outdoor rug, so I'm using this peep decor I found at the Dollar Tree Plus aisle as a stencil for my outdoor rug. The Dollar Tree did have some stencil designs in their craft aisles, but none that were Easter themed or anything that I wanted to create, so I just made my own out of cardboard. I then am going back in with the chalk just to see some rough draft of spacing and wording and where things might go. And then for the peep stencil, I did go around with a permanent marker. If you're a pro at this rug painting, please let me know what you use to see your outline of what you are crafting. I would love to know if it's just a darker shade of chalk or if you actually did use permanent marker. I have no idea. This is my first time. I am not a pro at this at all. But I would love to know for future rug painting, so please leave it in the comments below what you suggest. For the blue paint, I did want to try the squeeze bottle method that I've seen people do. It did take a lot of paint, and to get all of the paint in the bottle and then squeeze it out, it did seem like a lot of effort. I think it's better for writing instead of just painting an object. I then tried this foam sponge paintbrush with the pink peep, and as you can see, it doesn't spread the paint out a lot. It kind of just absorbs into the rug. You can see the paint isn't really spreading on the rug. It's just soaking in and staying in that one area where I put the paint on. So then I tried a paintbrush, and that did work better than the foam sponge. It did take time, but I was able to put it on the paintbrush and then spread a little bit around where I was working. After trying the different methods, I did end up using the paintbrush to fill in the rest of the peeps for this outdoor rug. Now for the writing, I did use popsicle sticks just as a guide for where I wanted letters to be and spacing. I did fill up the squeeze tube with 2 of the Dollar Tree black paints just to make sure it was full and less air in the squeeze tube as possible. I feel like it's kind of like when you're cake decorating. you only got one shot kind of, and the less air is possible. You want to squeeze out as much paint and get one good flow line as possible. That was the goal I had in mind. One thing I've learned while doing this rug is I'm not the best at handwriting and cursive particularly. So for future rugs, I will probably stick to just objects, and maybe if it comes with a stencil, it might be a little bit easier for handwriting, but you learn something new about yourself every day. I don't like my handwriting that much. It is what it is. But back to the peeps, I did add their eyes and their noses, and it comes to a point I always am like, should I stop or do I need more detail? And this is the point that I've hit where I feel like I need to add more, which I probably don't need to, but I feel like everybody gets that sometimes. It's just like, do I need to do more, or am I just going to overdo it? And then you do it, and sometimes it's a good thing, sometimes I don't know. I feel like sometimes I went too far. Please feel free to leave it in the comments if you feel this way while crafting. It would make me feel so much better about myself. But for my first rug painting, I think I did okay. There's a lot of things I learned that I will now apply to this second rug painting. Let's see how I do for this one. For the second one, I wanted to use a bigger size peep. It came in the same container as the first one originally did. Again, also creating a stencil out of cardboard with this larger peep that will take up more room, because I do not plan to do any writing on this outdoor rug. Instead of writing at the top, I decided to just place some spring flowers all around the top of the outdoor rug, and then eventually some green grass at the bottom. For a Dollar Tree review of the paints, this rug has been sitting outside for almost 2 weeks now, and there has been storms coming across our area, and the paint has stayed fine. I didn't seal it with anything, maybe I should have, but the paint has been staying fine, didn't wash away or anything. So if I ever painted another rug, I would totally use Dollar Tree paints again. But that is it for this week's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe below, and I will see you guys next week.